Hello everyone. In today's video, Hidemyacc will guide you on how to register an Amazon account and join the affiliate marketing program of this platform. Amazon Associate is an affiliate marketing program provided by Amazon. When participating in this program, you can earn money by introducing products sold on the Amazon platform. The percent commission you receive from the affiliate program depends on the product category you advertise and the country where you register your account. For example, the commission for fashion products in the US is 10%, while the UK is 11% and India is 9%. And home appliances targeted in the US and UK markets are 8 to 9%, while in India it is only 9%. The commission rate on Amazon is quite low, but it still attracts a lot of participants because this is a large e-commerce site. The number of goods is diverse and keywords are easy to top the search. You can also create multiple Amazon affiliate accounts, targeting different regions or different product niches. To limit account lockout, you create accounts on Hidemyacc profiles and attach a residential proxy to each profile to change the IP address. Each Hidemyacc profile will have its own set of parameters and operate independently like different devices. You can compare the parameters of two Hidemyacc profiles on sites like IP Fighter or Whore to see the difference. Next, Hidemyacc will guide you on how to register for an Amazon Associate account. The affiliate account will be directly linked to the normal Amazon purchase account, so you must have an Amazon account first. If you don't have one, you can register with Gmail and a phone number that has never been registered. After having an Amazon account, you access Amazon Associate Central to register for an affiliate account. Next, you enter the required information according to the previously prepared info set. In this step, you can fill in the information pay in tax now or later. With a bank account, you can use PayPal, PayOne. With tax information, if you are not a US citizen, you will be subject to 30% tax. You can rent a US bank and US tax info to fill in here. However, the current info is bought and sold. The duplication rate is also very high. So it is best, you need to find a source to buy quality info and have a good GDTG. You can go to eBay, Amazon groups on Facebook or forums to ask to buy info. Next, you access the dashboard section to track the number of clicks, the amount of commission you earn. The current account is newly created, so this section has no information yet. So how to get product links to do affiliate? On Amazon, there is a tool available to support users to get affiliate links, SiteStripe. Which product to choose to do affiliate depends entirely on your strategy. In this video, Hidemyacc will only guide you on how to get affiliate links with a demo of how you can promote affiliate links. When accessing Amazon, you can see the best-selling products in the bestseller section, or more specifically, search in the product category to choose the desired product. For example, in this section, you can choose the LED bulb product and get the affiliate link by selecting the text word from the SiteStripe tool. You can choose the shortened link or full link. So how to get traffic from these affiliate links? Hidemyacc will give you an example of how to do affiliate marketing on Pinterest. Pinterest's natural traffic is very high, and it allows users to easily attach external links, so you just need to create a new pin, fill in the title, describe the product similar to Amazon, and then attach your affiliate link. In addition, you can also build a TikTok or Instagram channel, or do SEO for your website to push keywords to rank high when customers search. Above, Hidemyacc has just guided you on how to register an account and become an affiliate on Amazon. If you have any questions related to the product, you can contact Hidemyacc's support team for support. Wish you success!